Sport utilities aren't what they used to be, having crossed over from rugged plow horses to suburban haulers. That's not a bad thing, but thank goodness we still have a few traditionalists like Toyota 4Runner. The good thing is that even these off-road kings are quite civilized today. 4Runner can double as a weekend warrior and a weekday commuter, no problem. It's not quite as cushy as the crossover crowd, but outside of its high step-in, I'm all in wherever the destination. Marking its 30th year for 2014 along with a mid-cycle refresh, the new 4Runner looks a little more rugged on the outside and a little more refined inside. At $33,680, the starting price is a few thousand more than Toyota's comparable mid-size Highlander crossover. But how are you going to get through all that mud? Go to phoenix.bizjournals.com for the full review. Search for my Motor Mondays blogs.